everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I'm so happy to be back with you all. Today I'm capturing the beauty of spring in motion with a pastel Dutch pour. Soft colors, organic movement, and that satisfying flow. This piece has it all. So let's get started. I started by sectioning off the canvas into 4 parts, layering in pastel shades of pink, purple, yellow, and teal. Using an air technique, I gently blow the colors outward, letting them blend and create soft transitions. Watching the paint move across the surface is so mesmerizing. There's something so calming about this process. Now, one of my favorite techniques is creating the bloom effect. This happens when the paint expands naturally across the canvas, creating petal-like patterns that feel soft and organic. To enhance the flow, I tilt the canvas slightly, allowing the paint to settle naturally. It's like watching nature paint its own masterpiece. How this piece turned out. The way the pastel blend with that fresh green at the center really captured the energy of spring. The bloom effect is really the highlight of this pour, creating that soft floral feel I was going for. What do you see in this pour? A blooming flower? A gentle breeze? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next fluid art creation. See you soon.